is this called? Is this the lobby? What's this?
This is the original
lobby.
Yeah.
So we have to look very closely at different mechanical systems, which we've done, and we'll have an incredibly energy efficient building when we finish with this, because we're aiming towards getting as close to net zero carbon as possible.
Right.
Which is wonderful when you're working with an existing building. You're at the edge. So there's a lot of unique sustainable attributes that we're integrating into the whole restoration of this, fantastic building.
You don't know?
Well, Ray, one of the interesting theories that,
They had a real stage.
yeah, so there was a stage kind of as large as the kind of everything that you see there, so it was actually good.
So this will be the lobby, and there's just, I think, a lot of interest in this floor, architecturally quite unique, and one of the reasons that we ultimately decided to locate here.
Now tell me about these trusses then.
Outside of the fact that they're huge,
Yeah.
and they're holding up the ceiling below, right? And maybe
Yeah, I mean,
circular.
because there's columns above, but there's no columns in the auditorium.
Okay.
Right, so these trusses transfer the load from above
Okay.
out to the outside
Yep.
and then down to the ground. So
And obviously when it was offices, these were covered up. These
they
all-
were, yeah. When we bought the place, they were plastered over. The only reason we knew that they were there was from the original construction photographs.
Greg has put aside some of the paneling of these windows. Actually, we have them. They were here, the original paneling, which was beautiful kind of woodwork around these openings, which are just being preserved right now on the ground floor. We can take a look on the way out.
A lot of these older buildings, just because of the width of the material and the thickness of the masonry and the brick, have a fair amount of thermal mass to them, which retains heat and
keeps it cool.
keeps it warmer in the evening, and it works in reverse, right? So it cools down at night in the summer, and then it keeps the building relatively cool during the day.
Yeah, Joanne, if it gets warmer tomorrow, it'll be colder in the building than outside the building.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just because the building,
It's
yeah,
retaining-
the